Where is your court?
Since I am a psychiatrist,
You're not supposed to.
I am.
Rules, regulations say what? Our medical. Work. And issue show cause notice to all you're the medical superintendent here.
Dr. Salina.
Where is she?
She's coming. She's on the walk.
Please go. अंधाधुंदी चलले हांगा या हॉस्पिटलान. Next OPD, where is the next OPD? How many patients, how many referrals, and on the basement and also there. There is the medicine.
सर्जरी ओके आज सर्जन नाही
Surgery.
मेडिकल
In Boston.
So they'll be coming.
Doctor for now OPD the timing so doctor for medical
starting
very
Dr. Shivam is
very
coming.
very
Might have gone late, so maybe for matching.
the next two
So we have to take time.
ECG का जे तीन राउंड के
ECG टेक्निशियन चंदन
इतलो वेळ कित्याक लागता तुमकां ECG हे घेवपाक ते आतां रावले पळय टायमींग कित्याक तुमचो आनी तूं बसला कित्याक आतां शंका मारपाक मागीर कित्याक आहा तें पेशंट भायर उबे आहा कित्याक काडूंक ना ECG बरें नांवचें म्हाका पडलें ना ती भायर रावली तर टायमींग कित्याक भायर येवपाक बोलपाक कितें जालां पेशंटाक हे पळय गो हे लास्ट मातशें शिस्त पाळात पेशंटाक देव म्हणून समजून तुमी सेवा करपाक जाय ना बेश्टे भितर हांगा येवन गप्पा मारपाक हांवें दवरूं ना तुमकां हांगा डॉक्टरान आनी टेक्निशियनाक घे तुजे ECG बेगीन चल गो बाय भितर खंय गेले ते चल आनी घे तुजे बेगीन बेगीन कर आनी धाडून दी तिका हांव येता मागीर डॉक्टर यो फुडें आं कितले पेशंट्स
गुरुवार असता त्यांची सकाळची टीव्ही असतात रजिस्ट्रेशन बाहेर असतं 130
रोज
डॉक्टर अगं म्हाका एक सांग लेडी डॉक्टर ती मरे डॉक्टरांची कोट घालपाची कितें जालां तूं कित्याक घेता कोट कंपल्सरी करून घालूंक जाय भुरगीं दिसता बंद करून कोट घाल 5 मिनटां भितर यू हॅव टू पुट योर कोट हाउ मेनी पेशेंट हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन
Around 100.
100 almost and nurse like where is medical superintendent medical superintendent administratively कोण बोलता
What meter असं
बस भुरग्यांक पळयतना यू हॅव टू सी दॅट शी हॅज अ नर्सिंग स्टाफ ऑफ द बॅकअप
हमें तो
मेडिकल सुपरिटेंडेंट पाय मोडला की ती ना जाल्यार आनी कोण पळयता
She's there.
She's there, but she is taking time.
ना पण अगं ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह मेट्रन नाही ना.
So,
Better
sir, we have called the head clerk. Arjun.
थोडे नर्सेस जीएमसीतल्यान काढा. हांगा यो गो बाय तुम्ही.
Yeah.
इतले हांव मंत्री म्हणून तुका येता तुका हांव बेश्टे उलोवपाक आपोवना. तुका जेन्ना सांगता खंयची तरी ओपीडी दाखय म्हणून फटाफट चलोवंक जाय. कोणाची स्टाफ तू डीएचएस? हां? आयटीचे कितें आसूं हांगा काम करता न्ही सॅलरी अगेन्स्ट हेल्थ घेता काय ना? चल. सांग न्हू.
Maintenance का.
बोल.
Instance, Gaurish is like, is there?
I'm talking about the same kids, you know,
Yeah, and also
they cannot have MTS.
No,
against
God,
them.
now we are going to face. Because staff nurses and no, no.
You must wear a doctor's coat. It is mandatory for you to wear a doctor's coat, compulsory by rules regulation. All these stories about children getting scared and all is not the question. You know how to handle children. You want to follow them, पुन्हा भी घाल नको गुलाब दे.
Sir, matron.
How many nurses are in this hospital? At one shift.
At one shift, sir, all over.
Your hospital here.
Total we have
When you have children, especially children, mothers with immunization, you must allow nurses here. Nurses here, no, don't smile at her. I'm sitting here. I know, I'm the one who knows the statistics. How many nurses do you have totally in total? MTS staff from Human Resources Corporation here. And the kids and their girls, children and all these things that we taken care of.
So we have a sanction strength of 100
Exactly how many do you have?
like 60 regulars.
At one shift. You find out the statistics.
For the